Right, so I've just zoomed out a bit first so that you can see the dress properly. And I'm just adding the very lightest bits on the dress I can see. I can see there's still a little bit of something going on in here, very slight. It's got something going on there. That's darker in there. It's very dark there. And see, just little touches now, just little touches. No detail. This bit's darker. Just shaded it in with the stump, and then there are darker bits in there. I'll just put back in. They've got a bit blurred out, you see. Just make those a bit. That's darker. That's darker. But it's just darker in little bits. See, I'm not doing the whole thing. That's darker. This is a bit less rounded there. That's dark. Darker. This needs a bit of rubbing out here. It just needs to be a bit straighter. Just brush that away. So. This is a bit darker in here. It's darker there. There's darkness on the edge here, very slight. Go right up to where Dad's face starts. See, you've got the line there we traced on. Just checking it. That's darker in there. Very much darker. And that's a hard line there. It's quite a thin line though, so go lightly on it. A bit darker. You just sort of take an oversight. Because this back it all will be slightly darker and blurred. So I'm putting the marks in, but I'm just going to go over them again. There's quite a lot going on in there pattern wise. Okay, now I'll just blur it over. Make it go back. Even though it's white, it's still got to be dark. Now we've got some blacker bits here. Just bits and pieces. That's enough to give the effect. Then with the white, just where I can see there are some light areas, I just put those in very gently though. It's kind of all a bit lighter through here, see? All through here. For some reason the light's just catching those little bits. Around here. Put those little bits there before. That needs to be on the edge, but it's darker. A bit more markings in there. See, this darker line is the shadow under a dress. And it's quite strong there. We'll make it a bit stronger there later. And a little bit of white is kind of on the edge really, here. Now I've got to be careful not to get carried away with this, and it'll be really effective. There's a little bit there for some reason. I think it'd be really dark there, but just picking out the very lightest bits I can see, and there really won't be a lot. I think we'll just leave it there for now, just like it is. It is a bit lighter on the end here, which would be nice against the darker bits there, I think, as well. See how slight, very slight, not make a meal of this at all. That's all you need. And then we'll just soften it over with the blender, just to blend it, the white charcoal blender, just to blend it all, so it looks very soft. So I've not put any of those white bits over any other charcoal. That's just where the gaps are on the paper. That's it. Very gently. Okay. So I've just made a little start on this bit here, just filling the light in here. Now it is white, but it's kind of a bit mottled looking. very white next to her dad's face. I've just got to try and get that line really right there as best I can. And then there's a bit of a darker area in there, so I'm not going to go mad with the white. Just be very careful here. Around her ear. In the corner there, into that fabric. And it kind of blurs this little bit of fabric here. That's it. It's just showing that the light's coming through. This patch here needs to be whiter. See, that's the dress, it's a bit rucked up there. And it's actually, this is her dress, but it's showing the light. Make sure I get that angle right there. I might do a bit more depth on the baby's ear. Don't know yet. I'll get Dad's face in first, I think. There's a bit of lightness here. Down here. It's just a glint, actually. Bit of lightness coming through there. Let's go right almost to the end there. Okay, we'll just soften that over. Okay, so just got a little bit of tiny little bits of darkness in there. It's not really dark, it's just darker. Something going on in there. That's a bit plumper there. A bit more. It's going right up to his face. It's going right up to that mark there where his face starts. Something go through here. Then the glint is just here. So I actually got that in the wrong place there. So we'll just go over it. I'll just give a nice edge to his face there. That's darker. There's something there. Do a bit of the baby's hair there. Just make that line a bit softer. Just do a little bit more shape on the baby's ear here. See copies, not much to copy there. Just darken it off a bit. So I think what we'll do is we'll do the start on the dad next, and we'll do baby's arm after.